Hello friends, myself Assistant Professor D.S. Kamre. Today we see the
Topic of objective of management accounting. The fundamental objective of management accounting is to help the management in carrying out its duties efficiently so that maximize profits or minimize the losses of management. It includes plans and budgets covering all aspects of the business. For example, production, selling, distribution, research, and finance. Management accounting systematic allocate responsibilities for implementation of plans and budgets. It analyze of all transactions, financial and physical, to enable effective comparison to be made between the forecast and actual performance. Uh, the main objective of management accounting, first one is to formulate planning and policy. Planning means deciding in advance. Uh, Planning means deciding in advance. Uh, Planning involves forecasting on the basis of available information, setting goals, framing policy, determining the alternatives, courses of action, and deciding on the program of activities. It facilitates the preparation of statement in the light of past results and gives estimation for the future. Second point is to interpretation of financial documents. Management accounting is to present financial information to the management. Financial information must be presented in such a way that it is easily understood. It presents accounting information with the help of statistical devices like charts, diagrams, graphs, etc. Next, two helps in decision making process. Management accounting makes decision making process more scientific with the help of various modern techniques. Information, figures relating to cost, price, profit, and saving for each of the available alternatives are collected and analyzed accordingly, which will provide a base for taking the management decision making process. Uh, Then to help it control, management accounting is a helpful for managerial control. Management accounting tools, standard costing and budgetary control are helpful in controlling performance. Cost control is affected through the use of standard costing, and departmental control is made possible through the use of budgets. Performance of each and every individual is controlled with the help of management accounting. To provide report, management accounting keeps the management fully informed about the latest position of the concern through reporting. It helps management to take proper and quick decision. It informs that performance of various departments regularly to the top management. Management accounting provides tools for overall control and coordination of business operation. Budgets are important means of coordination. Then nature of management accounting. Management accounting is a decision-making system. Management accounting provides accounting information in such way as to assist management in the creation of policy and in the day-to-day operations. Thus, the management accountant is not taking any decision but provides data which is helpful to management in decision making. It communicates a great variety of facts in a systematic and meaningful manner. Management accounting is a forward-looking. Management accounting, unlike the financial accounting, deals with the future. It helps in planning the future because decisions are always taken for that future course of action. In the decision-making process, management accounting provides selective and fulfilled information of the data collected. Management accounting takes into account only those data from the financial statement and communicates to the management which is useful for taking decision. It means technique of selective nature. Management accounting analyzes different variables. Management accounting helps in analyzing the reason for variation in profit as compared to the past period. It analyzes the effect of different variables on the profits and profitable of the concern. Management accounting does not set particular formats for information. It provides necessary information to the management in the form which may be more useful to the management in taking various decisions on different aspects of business. Management accounting includes financial accounting and extends to the operation of a system of cost accountancy, budgetary control and statistical data. While meeting the legal conventional requirements regarding the presentation of financial statement, such as profit and loss account, balance sheet and cash flow statement. Profit and loss account shows the financial position, whether sale or profit. Balance sheet statement shows the statement of assets and liabilities, and cash flow statements intensity of the liquidity or cash inflow or cash outflow position. It stresses upon the establishment and operation of internal controls. Management accounting has to construct and reconstruct this system to meet the changing need of management function. The publication and preservation of vital data for management planning, the accounting, the accounts and the documents files are quantities of details about the past progress of the enterprise, without which forecast of the future is very critical for enterprise. So, interpretation of financial document helps decision making process to formulate budgeting, planning and policy, provide reporting to management, to facilitate coordination of operation. All these points included in importance of objective of management accounting. And in the nature of management accounting, point is included. Management accounting is a decision-making system. Management accounting is a forward-looking. Management accounting is a technique of selective nature. Management accounting analyze different variables. And last, management accounting does not set particular formats for information. Next lecture, we will see the contents of scope of management accounting. Thank you.